So you started to release the pain in your feet. But in order to get a long-lasting relief and completely get rid of the pain, we need to look at not just the feet, but the whole body. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what you can do to get a whole body approach to release the pain in all of your body. So hello, my name is Catherine, and I help people to free themselves from pain so that they can move pain-free every day. So let's get started. So it's common to want to treat the pain where we can feel it. So if we get pain in the foot, then we focus on the foot and try to get rid of that pain there. But when we have pain in an area, it isn't always the cause site. So for many years, I experienced lower back pain, and I was trying to treat the lower back. I was looking for solutions that eased and got rid of back pain. But what I didn't know at the time was the fact that I had tight hips, the fact that my calves were tight, and I had a start of a bunion on my left foot was causing my lower back pain. Then I found block therapy, and all the pieces of the puzzle came together. When I started focusing on a whole body approach, I was able to ease and get rid of my back pain. And this is what I do on the online classes. We take a full body approach. We look at 3 core areas, and then we move into more detail in certain areas to release that fascia, release the pain throughout the whole body. We also look at the posture, and we make sure that the foundation, the feet, are holding it all together. The breath is so important, making sure we're always breathing diaphragmatically. So the first class is the core. We look at the belly position, the diaphragm, the sternum, the ribs, the pecs, the armpit, and get all the core. Because when we collapse and our posture isn't correct, we collapse into the core and the organs don't have the space. So when we open up the belly, the ribs, the sternum, the pec and the armpit, we're able to open up the core so that we can look to stand correctly. We also look at the mid-back, but only when we first open the front. We don't want to be focusing on the back until the front is open. The next class is the pelvis, legs and feet. So in this class, again, we start in the belly position. We then go to the lower belly. We look at the hips. We look at the IT band, the hamstrings. We look at the quads, the abductor, the calves and the feet, and also the piriformis. So again, we do all the legs. We look at the posture, the way that we are standing, the way that we are holding the weight, and make sure that the foundation is there. And the third class is the head, neck and arms. So again, we start in the belly position, we move up to the sternum, we do the clavicle, the pecs and armpit, the deltoid, the forearms. We then move up to the neck, so the side neck, the cheekbone, the temple, the forehead and also the posterior neck. Now, when we move into the head and the neck, this can be quite a relaxing class and helps us body to relax and also release the pain in that area. If you're interested in joining an online class, there is a link in my description that takes you to my website where you can find more about block therapy and book onto a class. There's also a link in the description if you're looking for a guide to help you a little bit further. This is a free guide and it gives you 3 simple steps to release pain and stiffness in just 5 minutes a day. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you do have a certain pain that you'd like me to create a video on, then let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you know that my next video is coming out, and thanks for watching.